Hello, welcome to today's live video. As you can see, I'm really prepared for today's entering inside bush. Yes, but the bush is not too big. So as I promise you, I'll make sure that we go more into practicals, and that's exactly what we are going to do. So behind me here is a little bush. Let's go inside and see some of the herbs that you can easily identify, and let's see the health benefits. You know, sometimes some of the herbs you may see here, you may see them when you're walking on the road. Yes, like some grasses. You know, I just beg the owner not to cut this place because I just want to use it, you know, to go through it to see some of the herbs that we can use, you know, for our today's lecture before the person cuts it. As you can see, I'm well prepared. See my cap. Yes, because of insects. Yes. So let's move. Okay. Yeah. Where do we start? Okay. As you can see behind me here, I don't know whether you can see it. Let me just show it to you. See it? Can you see it? Behind me there is what do you call it? Loofah. Have you seen it there? That is loofah plant. Maybe I have to go to where I can see it better. I mean the loofah plant. Okay, better. So you can see, have you seen the loofah? Look. Yes, this is the loofah. Some people call it sponge leaf because of this, because of the pod. You see this pod, when it gets matured properly and it gets dried, when you remove the outer skin, you now see the sponge-like tissue. Yes, some people use it to wash plates, and for those who have skin issues like eczema, you can use it to scrub off the dead cells. And now as it is, you know, some people think that it is only the leaves. Okay, see the leaf and see the yellow flower. Some people think it is only the leaves that are edible. No, you see the pod of the loofah plant, you can eat it, especially when it is still tender. As it is, I'll beg the owner so that I can, you know, harvest some. You can cook it and eat it at this stage. Look at it, it's still soft, very succulent. So you may now wonder, what can you achieve with the loofah leaves? Look at it. Yes, I've done series of videos on my page on what you can achieve with the loofah. See the loofah leaves. Look, let me tell you, it helps your heart to function properly. For example, for those who experience heart palpitation, you know, sometimes they will say that all of a sudden their heart will just big. Yes, if you experience heart palpitation, please go and look for loofah. Look at it, loofah leaf. Just collect it, wash it properly, and now if you wish, you can boil it and drink. If you wish, you can even, as it is in the raw form, yes, you can even use it and squeeze it to extract the juice and take the juice. Even as it is, you can even use it to prepare vegetable soup or egusi soup because it is edible. The leaves of loofah plants are edible. Look at it. Have you seen it? This is loofah. And one good thing is that when you just plant a seed, before you know, the whole area will be filled with loofah. Look at it. It climbs. So as it is, I'll come back and tell the owner I want to harvest some of the pods. You know, these ones are still tender. Just prepare it and eat. Assuming that maybe you have the pod, or by the time you see the pod has, you know, matured. When it gets matured, the skin will now turn brownish. At that stage, no problem. When you remove the seeds, you can roast the seed the way you roast your granite, and still eat it, it is highly beneficial. Highly beneficial. So this is the loofah for those who, I got some comments in the comment section after posting my video on loofah. Some people were asking, how would they be able to know it? Look at it. I think you have seen it. This is loofah. And there are even many. Okay, look at another one. See another one there. Have you seen it? Yes, there's another one there. Yes. That is loofah. And now, when we come down here, have you seen this? Let me show it to you. Have you seen it? Sometimes, let me go back so that I can see it properly. I mean this. Have you seen it? Some people may decide to, as they're clearing the farm, they may even clear it, thinking that it is sweet. It is not sweet. Look at what I'm talking about. Have you seen it? It is not wheat. It is known as beef stick. Beef stick. For those who experience respiratory conditions like cold, bronchitis, all they need to do is to collect it as it is, wash it properly, and now boil it and drink. Even the leaves are edible. You can even use it to prepare vegetable soup. Look at it. Have you seen it? So, this person, they enjoy you. See, all this area. Look at it. So, in case you see it in your farm, it is not weed. Look at it. It is not weed. Let me even try and uproot this one. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? It is not weed. It is not weed. Look at it. Very fantastic. So you can even take the leaves, use it to prepare egusi soup. Okay. And this is